Welcome back, my beautiful people, subscribers, and new viewers. I know what y'all thinking. It's going to get way too cold this winter to plant any vegetables in our garden. No, let's dive right into it. Winter gardening can be just as successful as your spring and summer garden. We're going to plant some root vegetables. Yes, we can do this. Delicious and nutritious. Let's start with the carrots. Carrots is something I use often, so they're definitely going into my garden. Carrots are cold hardy and they thrive in cool winter months. Oh yeah, this is when we use that well composted soil for our organic carrots. Plant them starters 1/2 inch deep and about 1 inch apart. And water them well, sweetie. Make sure you plant them in a sunny spot so they can get at least 6 hours of sunlight. But carrots is not the only thing you could plant. What about beets? Now, I don't really like beets, but some people love them. I gotta admit, they are colorful and beautiful and all that, but I don't know about the taste, but some people love the taste. If you can find the seedlings, plant them about 2 inches apart. But you gotta make sure they stay watered and be consistent. We're not gonna stop there. You know, we gonna plant some turnips. You know it. You know we gotta plant turnips. If you can cook or find a good recipe, you can use them in many dishes. Plant these 1/2 inch deep and about 1 inch apart. No fear, we're going all in. Turnips love cold weather. All of these love cold weather, and as it gets colder, you're going to see how successful you're going to be with these plants. But remember, you got to keep that soil moist, and if it gets really cold, but the best part is you get to harvest these during the winter. Plant and harvest during the winter. Just stagger the planting so you're not getting all of your harvest at once. So that's my 2 cents on planting a winter garden. Don't be afraid. Get out there and do it. It's very rewarding when you see the results of a winter harvest. So get out there and prepare your beds, your grow bags, your containers, whatever you got. Thank you for joining me, and I want to hear about your journey in the comment section. Tell me about your winter garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and like and share, and comment. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.